Good evening. Today is February 28, 2013, and it's probably been about a month since I last did a video journal. I haven't been feeling well, and also I didn't have a voice, which has come back a little bit, but as I'm speaking, it's probably going to go. It comes and goes. Anyhow, update with me. I became very sick last Tuesday, had to go to the emergency room, and a great deal of pain in my left on my left side in my back and in my groin. Found out I have kidney stone, and it's been over a week since I went to the emergency room and have yet to pass the stone. So I hope that within the next couple of days I do pass it, because I'm really tired. I've been in a great deal of pain, having cold, hot spells going back and forth, and today just been pretty painful. I kind of wanted to talk about some of the things that I've seen online from support groups that I belong to, that I've tried myself. I've been drinking, I don't know if I mentioned before, I've been drinking hemp milk, which is very good, actually. The taste is pretty good. I've been watching what I eat. I don't eat the carbohydrates, breads, rice, cereals, things of that nature. I've been doing a basic casual workout. It's a workout I downloaded from my app, which they have several different ones you can choose from. You can choose to work out your abs, your legs, or you can do like the basic beach workout, which is a full body workout, and you can determine if you want to just do it for 5, 10, 15 minutes or longer. So I've been doing that. A couple of the exercises I had to sit through because it's kind of intermediate. Also, I chose the basic level. So I've done pretty good with that. I lost about 10 pounds so far. I haven't worked out this week due to the pain from the kidney stones and pain in my entire left side, but I hope to get better soon so I can get back on my workout routine. Also, today is the birthday of my late grandfather. I just would like to wish you a happy birthday, Granddaddy, and you are missed. And I'm glad that you're in a peaceful place now. You're no longer suffering, but I truly miss you, and since you've been gone, our lives has changed tremendously. The family's not the same, and I wish that it was. Our family was different and more supportive, and not all the fighting, but it is what it is. Since I have the kidney stone, and when they tested, it is calcium, so I had to cut back on my calcium intake. So I only take a calcium pill maybe 2 or 3 times a week, if that. So I had to cut back on that. I have an appointment tomorrow with the urologist to see what's going on with the stone, if they're going to admit me in the hospital, or they're going to tell me to wait a couple of days, or what's going to happen. I have no idea. It's my very first time I'm getting a kidney stone, so this is all new to me. And also I have an appointment with my primary care physician to get my second B12 injection and to discuss mobility issues. Let's see, I've been under a great deal of stress, which causes a lot of the flare-ups, and very forgetful. My memory is getting worse. I can't even like play like puzzle games like I used to be able to do, like play word games. I'm getting my behind stomped playing that puzzle game, and it's kind of embarrassing, but it is what it is, I guess. Let's see, I'm hoping that the weather improves here in New York. And my voice is going. Give me one moment. Sorry. I hope that the weather improves. It's been pretty cold and raining. If not raining, it's snowing, so or freezing. So I hope that the weather improves very soon, so that way I can feel a little better. I haven't had a lot of energy and no appetite, but it could be because of the kidney stones. I'm not sure. But I do want to thank everyone for their comments and subscribing to my channel and reaching out. Since I've come back to doing my video journals again, I haven't had any negative responses like I used to. So I want to thank you all for being so positive and supportive and not leaving those negative comments that I used to get. I really appreciate that. And I hope that it's YouTube that's stopping people from doing so. If not, um, if you are doing it, I ask that you don't, because karma is very, very big, and I wouldn't wish this disease, multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, or any ailment on anyone. So please be mindful when leaving such comments that are rude and defensive and negative, because you never know, this disease could happen to you or someone that you care deeply about. So on that note, I'm sorry that my video is short, but as I said, I haven't been feeling my best, so I just wanted to update everyone, let you know how I'm feeling, and my voice is going anyhow, so I want to try to save as much of my voice as I can. But I will try and update you tomorrow after my appointments or within the next couple of days. I wish you all a great weekend. Happy Thursday and happy March. God bless and love always from Sassy Beauty 69.